Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic is glycolysis. Let's start the topic. The process in which glucose molecules are broken down into two molecules of pyruvic acid. Discovery. It is by Embaden Meyerhoff. France process is called EMP. Occurrence it takes place in the cytoplasm of eukaryotes and prokaryotes, but now it has a day been discovered in the chloroplast. In the initiate phase of respiratory metabolism involved degradation of glucose into pyruvate. Explanation. The process of glycolysis does not require oxygen for reduction of carbohydrates. Glycolysis is divided into the following phases. First one is preparation phase and the second one is oxidation phase. First one is the preparatory or phosphorylation phase. In this phase of phosphorylation of glucose takes place by consumption into 2 ATP, mean that glucose change into glucose 6-phosphate by fertilization of 1 ATP molecule change into ADP and enzyme hydrokinesis. Glucose 6-phosphate change into fructose 6-phosphate by the help of enzyme hexophosphate isomers. Fructose 6-phosphate change into fructose 1,6 biphosphate into the presence of in the presence of ATP change into ADP by the help of phosphofructokinesis. Fructose 1,6 biphosphate change into two molecules of 3 carbon and 3 carbon molecule which are interconvertible. Glycohydrolate 3-phosphate and dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Oxidation phase. Oxidation of diphosphoglyride takes place. Dihydroxyacetone phosphate is changed into glycohydrate and 3-phosphate step. Change into glycerohydride 1,3-diphosphate. In this reaction 2 to 4 hydrogen atoms are removed and react with NAD, which is reduced into NADH2. Glyceraldehyde 1,3-diphosphate is changed into 1,3-diphoshydroglycerate acid and changed into 3-phosphoglyceric acid. In this reaction 2 ADP change into 2 ATP, 3-phosphoglyceric acid change into 2-phosphoglyceric acid, and 2-phosphoglyceric acid change into 2-phosphoenol pyruvic acid by loss of water. Phosphoenol pyruvic acid change into 2-pyruvic acid and 3 carbon compound. In this reaction ADP is changed into ATP. Here is overall reaction and the cycle is take place. Here is end. The next video is about to Krebs cycle. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.